Recording number 3. I'll teach you how to add a picture, how to add text, and how to add a module. So we back in our back end for the website, and as you already learned, we go edit mode. We loaded the page called Teachers of the Past. So I'll go in edit mode. So wait till edit mode loads. The way you can tell it loaded, because all these modules become available on the right side. So I roll down, I filled up this page with all the teachers. So I'm going to roll down to the bottom and add the last 2 teachers. One is Prisnitz. So he's going to come after Kunz. So I'm picking up this module here, which is the image on the left side and text on the right side, and simply click on it, and I drag it down and I drop it to the end of Mr. Kunz module. So make sure you goes to the end like that. So that's our module, and let's save that so it's not going to go anywhere. So I'm going to go down again to the bottom, and I'm going to start editing. So I'll click edit, and I brought this module in. So I double click the image, and that will take us to the image library, which is set up here, select media, and Mr. Prisnitz is already here. So I just click on his image, and it loads the image into its position. Now I already copy pasted the text from your Word document, which you can see here. It's Vincent Prisnitz, but it's got to be very careful here, because you need to destroy the formatting of the Word document, and you need to initiate a program on your computer called Notebook. And when you copy paste your text from Word document into Notebook, there should be a command there somewhere up on the top, is make plain text. So that means destroying the formatting. So this text will pick up the formatting from the website. But if you copy from Word document directly into the site, it'll bring the formatting of and the font and colors and everything from the Word document, and we cannot allow that because it's going to be different. So okay, so I'm copy his name first, so that goes into this section here. So as you see, it's already there. Now I'm copying all the text underneath, which is your small text, and I drop it into this position. Okay, and I recommend to save this just in case your computer crashes or electricity drops out. Who knows these days? So you save the changes. So Mr. Prisnitz is here. So I edit the button again. Click the edit button. So in edit mode. So I delete this little box here. We don't need this box here. Because that's have another function, so I kept deleting till I got here, and now we got the actual plain text from copied in from Word document. So I know his name needs to be in color. We choose the dark green on the bottom of the page, and also his birth year, dark green. Now we usually italicize his quote. So I think that's his quote starts from there to the bottom. So I italicize it with this little italic icon, and also make it green text, because that's how we've been doing all this. Now See, this is what you see. This is a nice yellowish looking thing, and this is a white one. So I click on this module, so the module is highlighted, and I go into here, the background. So I'm hitting the background here, where I can add a color to this background by going down to this. See, this is how it changes different colors, but that's the predominant title color here. So I drop that title color now, and as you see, it's changed. And now I can just go to the side here, the background, and keep going to the right. It says when it toggles shape. So I click that shape button, and that gives us all these options of different shapes and colors add to this page. But we've just been using this very simple wave texture. So I click that, and basically we added his module, and then I save that. So I click edit again, and I add the last person's module. Now I want to have this image on the right side and text on the left, so I make sure I drop that into under Mr. Prisnitz. So I've got that one. So I am changing the image, and I'm going to upload the last image, which was the oldest nature's practitioner. His name was Thomas Sydenham. So I click on, this is my computer, so I'm uploading the image from my computer into this image library, and also into the page. So if I double click this image again, you see that he is in our image library on the left side. So I add that to the page, or he was already here. So I go and paste his name, Thomas Sydenham. Then I add his birth year and all the text from Notebook. Remember, Notebook, destroy the formatting of Word document. So I'm adding all that. Oops, sorry. So I've got to be careful here. So I clicked on the right. Yeah, yes, okay. So now, as you see, got all the text in there. So I'm going to save this. And I go back down again so I don't actually lose the information. So I'm just going to check this. Okay, so I'm just checking what I've copied. We got blah blah blah, various blah blah blah, sorrow care, and bad quality, sorrow care, and melancholy. Okay, so this, I don't know how this appeared here. So I hit edit button again. So I'm gonna cut all this out. Melancholy. Okay, so remember, we gotta delete this box. We don't need these boxes. Keep hitting and delete till actually disappears, which he doesn't want to disappear. Okay, it disappeared. Okay, I just saved that. So I roll down to the bottom of the page again. I hit edit button. Okay, so click the module. I go to background, I pick the right background, then I go to the shape, I hit shape, and I'll pick up that nice wavy shape. Then I change Thomas's name to green, his birth year to green, and I just check. Yeah, he had one a quote, which goes for no, that's the wrong one. That's not his text. Oh, what have I done? This is his text. I mucked up the text, sorry. So I go in there and drop off the text. So that's the quote. We italicize and make it green. So it looks like this is his quote still too. Italicize, green. And the rest just tidy up the text. And the healing process is a part of this in the rhythms, and it is initiated by fever, and it is an effort of the body to heal itself. Okay, so let's save it. I'm happy with that. And here we go. So we got all the great teachers of the past loaded. So you can go in there and change text, colors, whatever you want to change. I'll leave it to you. Well, thank you.